Have you ever wondered how some kids' channels on YouTube are banking serious cash and getting millions of views with simple animations? I've uncovered some fascinating details for you. Let's take a look at a successful YouTube Faceless channel. This channel is getting massive views, with some videos hitting an incredible 30 million views. According to whitelarger.com, this channel's earnings could range from $250,000 to $10 million, with an annual average falling somewhere between $23,000 and $700,000. And they're not alone. There's a bunch of channels out there doing just the same. So what's their secret sauce? They've found a sweet spot targeting parents on the hunt for kid-friendly educational content. Through engaging animations, little ones dive into adventures that teach them about the alphabet numbers and shapes, all while keeping them glued to the screen with bright colors and fun stories. This not only keeps the kids entertained, but also gives parents a bit of a breather. Thinking of starting a YouTube channel but stuck on ideas? Why not dive into the world of children's educational content? With the magic of AI, creating these videos is quicker than you think. Let's break it down into simple steps. Make sure you watch the entire video because every step is important. Step 1. Crafting a unique story. Head over to ChatGPT and throw in a prompt like, "Craft a script for a children's educational video set in a forest. In this scene, a warm-hearted monkey welcomes us and introduces his friends, a deer, lion, zebra, and owl. The introduction is engaging, straightforward, and ideally suited for young audiences. ChatGPT will spin a story that's not just unique, but one that resonates with your audience." Step 2. Bring our characters to life with voices. A tool I love for this is Flicky, especially their premium plan for that extra quality. And here's a sweet deal. Use the code FlickyI10 at checkout to snag a cool 10% off. You'll find the link in the description below. We're aiming for voices that fit each character perfectly, ensuring we have a unique voice for each of the 5 characters.
Welcome to our magical forest. My name is Max the monkey, and I can't wait to show you around our wondrous home. Are you ready to meet some of my best friends? They're just as excited to meet you.
A crucial note here is not to input all the characters' lines at once. Generate and label the voiceovers in sections according to the script's order. This way, you can easily organize the voiceovers later.
Hello, everyone. I love to roam the forest and nibble on fresh grass. The forest is full of wonderful places to explore.
Welcome, friends. It's a pleasure to meet you. I may be king of the forest, but I make sure all my friends feel safe and happy here.
Hi there. I love spending my days by the water. The forest is full of life, and there's always something new to discover.
Next step, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe for more content like this. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Step 3. Generate a background. Now let's generate a forest background with Leonardo AI, your go-to AI image generator. Choose the mesmerizing 3D animation style for visuals that leap off. The screen. Dial in the perfect 16:9 aspect ratio for that cinematic feel. Use this prompt as is, or modify it as needed. Generate a lush, serene forest scene with towering trees, dappled sunlight filtering through the canopy, a winding path leading into the depths of the woods, and a verdant landscape. Select the image you prefer, then upscale it, and finally download it. Step 4. Assemble the animated story. Next, let's go to Canva for the animation part. Choose a YouTube video and add the forest background you just saved. Right-click and select Set Image as Background. Let's start with an opening. Click on Text, add a text box, split it into 2 text boxes for a better look. Paste the title. Choose a cute font. Change the text color. Adjust the font size, and add some effects. Now, let's add animation to both the image and text. Select the image, click Animate, choose Photo Zoom under Photo Movement, and select both. Do the same for the text. To add music, Click on Elements, search for Children, and choose the audio. Add it to the timeline. Excellent. Our opening is ready. Now let's move on to the animation part. Add a new page, upload the background image, and bring in our first character, the monkey. Search for monkey. Select a dynamic asset, adjust the size and position, and set an entrance animation. Click Create Animation to make custom animations by dragging the material to design its animation trajectory. For example, I want the monkey to swing down from a tree. Adjust the speed and it's done. Next, import the voiceovers. Select the uploaded voiceovers, drag the monkey's line onto the timeline, set the monkey's entrance time, and then set the voiceover's time slightly later. Follow the dialogue order, add characters and voiceovers to the scenes one by one. It's straightforward. If you find it challenging to keep up, you can watch the video repeatedly. Once finished, click Download. In the final step, we'll use CapCut to add subtitles. Import the animation, add it to the timeline, go to the text menu, choose Auto Captions to generate subtitles, change the subtitle color, and add dialogue bubbles to make the scene more interesting. Place it below and align with the subtitles so they sync. Adjust the size and position of the bubble. Move each line into the bubble one by one and adjust the position. Add dialogue boxes for each character. Once done, you can export the video. Let's take a look at the finished product.
Welcome to our magical forest. My name is Max the monkey, and I can't wait to show you around our wondrous home. Are you ready to meet some of my best friends? They're just as excited to meet you. Come on, let's go find them. Our first friend is Daisy the deer. Daisy, say hi to our new friends.
Hello, everyone. I love to roam the forest and nibble on fresh grass. The forest is full of wonderful places to explore.
Did you hear that? That's the sound of our next friend. Let's go see. Here's Leo the lion. Don't worry, he's the friendliest lion you will ever meet.
Welcome, friends. It's a pleasure to meet you. I may be king of the forest, but I make sure all my friends feel safe and happy here.
And this is Zoe the zebra. Zoe, these are our new friends.
Hi there. I love spending my days by the water. The forest is full of life, and there's always something new to discover.
Last but not least, meet Olivia the owl. Olivia knows everything there is to know about our forest.
Hello, dear friends. It's wonderful to meet you. The forest is full of mysteries and I'm here to help uncover them. Night or day, I'm always here to guide and teach you about our home.
And there you have it. My amazing friends in our beautiful forest. We all live here together, taking care of each other in our home. We can't wait to share all of our adventures with you. Are you ready to explore and learn with us? Remember, every day is an adventure in our forest. Keep curious, and we'll see you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye.
By following this AI automation process, you can create a faceless YouTube channel that engages viewers, leading to views, which in turn lead to money. Remember, consistency is key. So conduct your own research and experiment with more creative ideas. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more AI content. If you want help out of the matrix, AI era has got your back. Stay tuned, stay inspired, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next faceless YouTube sensation. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating.